So I'm going to give you a tour as I promised. This very sad, neglected house, 59 days later, is finished. Yay! Okay, if you remember the walls in here, this entire doorway was sealed shut. There was no doorway, it was all dark wood paneling. And you could not look into what is now a kitchen because there was just a tiny little doorway here, and the only way to access this dining room was through this doorway. So here's the living room. Do you remember that ugly, ugly 70s shag carpet and just dirty, awful walls? It was so sad. So now it's bright and cheerful. My chinchilla gray ceilings that I use for everything I do. And now we'll go into the kitchen. We have a kitchen now. It's so pretty. I'm like so in love with it. It's bright, it's cheerful, it feels like a home. And here is the dining room, all finished. And I don't know if you remember the sad buffet cabinets here that were all chipped, but I painted the top to match the kitchen counters. So it all looks like it blends in, even though this is brand new and that buffet is from the 60s. So there we are, guys. Now we'll go down the hallway, but first, oh, that was awesome. I put these pretty little pots out here to make all this parking lot look a little warmer. It's amazing what you can do with pots. Pots are always a great option when you have a lot of cement. And then this would be just a small sitting family room. And then we'll go down the hallway. And then just here's one of the bedrooms. Very simple bedroom, but it sure doesn't look like it did before. Remember those awful doors? And then here's the bathroom. This is the bathroom that had the blue toilet. It had blue sinks. These cabinets were really horrible, and then there were no floors. Tile that was on the walls and the broken shower door, no more. And now here's another cute little bathroom. And this goes into the laundry room. This was also another horrible bathroom. And then this is where that big hole was that you could see outside. It's all sealed up. The house is hermetically sealed again, so it's a home. This is our laundry room. And I did not change the pink tile because I am in love with it. But the tub has been redone from its sad state. Now we'll go into the wishing room. And here's our cute little wishing wall. So some little child is going to be very happy to have this cute little room. He or she can make wishes every day, or you guys can. And then here is what would be the master. And this is my favorite part of this whole house. If you're standing right here and you look through, it has a double ensuite bathroom. A his and hers bathroom. The hers bathroom has a cute little vanity area. But the most magical thing about this bathroom is go into that bathroom and open the door. It has a meet you in the middle lovers shower. How cute is that? Okay, now we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna show you one of the coolest things about this house for a man. Not for me, but for a man. And then here's the side of the house. And on both sides of the house, there are gated entries, but here's the coolest part. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very quiet. You can't even hear them. German garage door openers, I guess you would say. There's photo eyes in the garages, there's alarm systems, and of course Italian tile in all the garages. And there's a bathroom in here. And then in this door is an amazing bonus room. How cool is this? So for some man, this is going to be the most amazing. There we are, guys. This garage is so amazing. The doors don't even make a sound. Goodbye, garage.